Where are we at?
Wheeler Branch.
Say good morning. Good morning. Today is Saturday, March 30th, 2024. Myself and Sam are at Wheeler Branch Reservoir in Glen Rose, Texas. This is a reservoir that feeds public water for Somervell County, and there are big fish out here. It's a little windy, so I'm hoping that that will die off. I think it is supposed to at least slow down a little bit as the day goes on, but we will see. Time is 7:38 a.m. We got up about 5 o'clock this morning, made the hour drive over here. I am on my Bass Raider 10E. Have all my equipment loaded up. Garmin Striker 4 CV. And Sam is back there. It's a beautiful sunrise on her Pelican Catch 10-foot kayak. So I have the Minn Kota 55-pound Enduramax trolling motor on my Bass Raider 10E. I know a common question that people ask for these boats is how fast do they go? So it's just me on the boat today. I do have a bit of gear. I got 4 poles, a tackle bag, a lunch box, my battery, a couple drinks and stuff, so nothing crazy. And I am going straight into the wind, so remember that. I think wind speeds today are around 10 to 12 miles an hour. I'm going a little over 3 miles an hour. So on a lake this size, that's great. Anything bigger, you're gonna end up running out of battery. Alright, so we have fished for a little over an hour. I've tried white jig, chartreuse spinner, wacky worm, crankbait, no luck so far. Sam's getting a little hungry, so I'm going to make my way back to the truck and get our cooler with our snacks and our drinks. And we found a little pavilion that we're going to go hang out at. And I'm going to meet her over there. Cooler secured. We have some sandwiches, some Cokes, some drinks, some protein bars and stuff like that. So I think Sam's a little hungry. She has picked our pavilion out over here, and I am currently on my way to meet her there. So, having a good time. Hopefully we can get a few fish in the boat today, but even if not, just being out here is so peaceful. Got one. You there? Not too bad. First one of the day, little guy. Nice little fish, pretty good color. Maybe a pound or two. We'll let him go. Thanks for playing, man. All right. We are officially not skunked today, so that is a plus. We found this nice little cove back here. It's pretty quiet, out of the wind. Lots of trees coming up. We're gonna keep sticking that wacky worm in there and see if we can't catch any more. Wacky worm is my personal favorite way to fish a soft plastic. I think that's mostly because it's just what I've fished most and what I'm the most confident in. So when I'm in doubt and I can't catch with anything else, wacky worm it is. This is also my favorite rod and reel combo here to fish my wacky worm on. It's a short rod. I can see if it says 6 foot 6 inches. This is the first time using the anchor. I posted a video on the channel about how I did it. It's kind of a work in progress still, but it seems to be working pretty good so far today. I will put the link in the description for that video. You should go check it out. Honestly, I'd love for you to go check it out to see if anyone has any ideas on how to make it better, really. So go check it out, but it seems to be working pretty good today. The only thing I might recommend is maybe an anchor 15 pounds if you're going to be in some heavy wind like this, because it is not keeping me stationary. It's for sure slowing down how much I'm drifting. I mean, with no anchor, I'd already been in the trees 10 minutes ago, but I'm pretty happy with it. I'd like to maybe make it look a little nicer at some point, but it'll fish. Fishing in about 6 feet of water. And again, we are at Wheeler Branch Reservoir in Glen Rose, Texas. About an hour southwest of the DFW Metroplex. Just got a little bump on the spinnerbait. It's $10 per adult per day, but it's a great spot out here. You can swim, the water's real clear, there's always people scuba diving. They got a bunch of picnic tables, some docks. If you live in the area and you like being outside, I highly recommend coming out here and spending a Saturday or a Sunday. They're open 7 days a week, and the only day of the year they're closed, according to their website, is Christmas Day. They let kayaks and little boats like mine out here. No gasoline powered outboards, those are not allowed. So it really is a perfect spot for a kayak or a small boat. Guys, look, I'm no pro angler, okay? I'm just a beginner that loves fishing and loves technology. So I'm combining the two and making some YouTube videos. So I have a small Strike King chartreuse spinnerbait on right now, and it is rotating in the water. If anyone has any input on how to get it to stop doing that, I would greatly appreciate it. Throw it in the comments. Let me know what I can do to get that to stop spinning. The one thing about this reservoir is there's a bunch of vegetation in the water, a lot. Almost the entire lake is covered in vegetation, underwater vegetation. On the other side where we were earlier, hopefully some footage of that makes it into the video. So many underwater trees and branches and stuff that you gotta watch out for. I almost lost this guy today, but I was able to get it undone, so that was nice. I'm gonna risk it right now again. We'll see what happens. And I don't know if I'm gonna go. I just threw it into a tree, but I got it out. Took a while, so here we go again. Alright, so we fished this little cove area for a while. We were able to pull that one little guy out. Sam is wanting to eat, so I'm gonna go back over there with her and have a sandwich. So catch up with you guys after that. Maybe some B-roll of, I don't know, the sky's pretty today, so maybe that. Alright, so it's about 11:30. We got on the water this morning about 7:45-ish, maybe a little bit earlier than that. Caught one fish, so it wasn't the best day ever, but we didn't get skunked. We decided to go ahead and get off the water because the wind's just crazy. There's a bunch of people here this morning. They've all left too, so the wind isn't too bad on my boat, but with Sam's kayak right there, it's just not worth taking the risk. So we went ahead and got off the water. We packed ourselves a lunch this morning, so I think we're just gonna sit here and enjoy each other's company and eat lunch. We've made some friends, some ducks that are here with us, so I'll try to get some footage of them in there also. Any comments, please put them down there. I appreciate some interaction with the video. Give me a like, give me a subscribe. Let me know if you want to see more content like this or any other content that you might like to see as well. Appreciate it. Y'all have a good day. I'm not kidding. Look at how close these things are.